Walmart prices can look low at checkout, but most people still overspend because they don't stack savings methods that are already built into the app and store system. By the end of this, you'll know 5 practical ways to cut your Walmart spending without extreme couponing or complicated setups. Start with Walmart's price comparison system in the app. When you scan a product, it often shows nearby price differences and online pricing. That matters because you can quickly swap items instead of paying full shelf price without checking. Next is Walmart Plus. Many people ignore it or only think about delivery, but it also unlocks fuel discounts at participating stations. The key is that the savings only apply when you activate the discount through the app before paying. The third method is rollback and clearance tracking. Walmart rotates prices frequently, and clearance items are usually grouped at the end of aisles or specific sections. The app often shows rollback pricing, even before the shelf label is updated. Fourth is using pickup instead of in-store browsing for groceries. When you build your cart in the app, it reduces impulse buying, because you're only selecting what you need instead of reacting to shelf placement and promotions in the store. The fifth method is rebate apps that stack with Walmart purchases. Apps like Ibotta or similar cashback platforms let you scan receipts after checkout or earn money back on eligible items. This works especially well on household goods and groceries you already buy. The real savings come from combining these methods instead of using them one at a time. For example, checking prices in the app, buying rollback items, and then applying rebates on top of that reduces total spend without changing your shopping list. To put it simply, most people overspend at Walmart because they shop in real time without checking digital pricing, ignore hidden discounts, and never stack cashback options. A practical next step is to open your Walmart app before your next trip and build just one small grocery order inside it, even if you still shop in store, so you can see price differences and rollback items before you buy. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of ways to save money on everyday spending without complicated strategies.